Alright, today I'm going to be painting my Odroid Go. Step 1, take it apart. I've already had it put together, played it, loved it, want to paint it. Grab a screwdriver. Need a Phillips. Make sure it's off, SD card is out. Alright, now that the screws are out, the back should come off. There we are. We're going to want to disconnect the battery. Pull that out there. I didn't glue any of this in. Remove the speaker plug. We can pull that out there. And now I need to remove the screws. I actually forgot a screw. One of the folks commented on my video of the build and pointed out that I forgot to include the screw between those connectors. I've had a lot of fun playing with this Odroid Go. Now that those three, let's take the power out. Might as well disconnect the screen since we're taking this all apart. There we are. Gonna grab the button membranes. I only used one. There was two included in the kit and they were absolutely fine to use. So now I have to take out this guy, the screen. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do that. I'm an idiot and decided to paint it after I put the screen in. So there's a very good chance that I'll break this. Pull the screen out there. This is a good screen. I really enjoy the quality. I really enjoy the quality of this screen. I'll have to brush those fingerprints off later. Now, the screen protector I'm leaving in because I don't have any double-sided sticky tape. But for the next step, we're going to need some other extra stuff. So let's move all this to the side. Put these pieces out of harm's way. Let's get to work. So, the new tools I'm introducing. Handful of Q-tips. Isopropyl alcohol. Tape, of course. Actually, the tape is for later. Cotton pads. Ideally, you'd want to have this. You'd want to be able to paint this before you assemble the device, because then the screen protector itself isn't in. I think the isopropyl alcohol will soften the adhesive on the inside of the screen protector, so I decided I wasn't going to soak it in the screen or in the isopropyl alcohol, but rather I was going to carefully touch it with this stuff here. That's some paper towel. This is going to be a little bit of fun. The reason you want to hit it with the isopropyl alcohol is to make sure that there's no oils on the plastic. And I want to let that dry. Alright, we're going to be painting it from the inside, So we want to tape anything that's not going to get paint, which means that we have to tape the whole damn thing on the front. So I've got some painter's tape here. You want to make sure you cover up the outside edges as well, which I still have to do on that left side. I should have put more thought into this. Now, I'm an idiot, so we need to put some tape on the inside of the screen, otherwise that is going to be filled with paint. Alright, I'm hoping that will do the trick. Let's do this. Alright, here we are in the workshop. About to give the Odroid Go a paint. I'm going to do this 3 times with a few minutes in between. That was probably a bad idea. Now we wait. Alright, here we are. It's had a couple of coats. It's had time to dry, so let's take the last of the paint. Here we are. This looks great. This side I wasn't worried about. There we are. Looks pretty good. But it's this I was worried about, because remember, I have my screen protector in, because I'm an idiot. So let's see, we'll start on this side. Oh, so far so good. So far so for. Look at that. I need to do this right. I'm going to take the screen protector out once my fingers are clean. We're going to do it again. Alright, we're back, and I would like to introduce a new tool to the arsenal. The Mary-Kate and Ashley 1600. I don't have a heat gun, and I want to get that screen out, but I don't want to damage or rip the adhesive. So, I'm going to warm it up. There we are. That should still work. All right. Now let's tape it up again. All right, I'm gonna go back downstairs, give that a spray. Now we're going to reassemble the Odroid Go. hope that's okay. Here it is. I think it looks pretty sweet. Now I probably put it together a little quickly because the buttons are, well, the right button is sticking just a little bit, but that'll probably wear out. A and B are fine. These buttons work great. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work with the on and off switch. That's a little stiff, but yeah, it's all working. The screen's fine, didn't break. We can go back into my Pokemon Team Rocket Edition game. It all works fine. The backlight does shine through with the paint a little bit, but overall, I think this was a good choice, and it makes it look really cool on the table.